अस्सलाम वालेकुम, माय नेम इज़ सैफुल्ला। अपनी आज की इस वीडियो में हम क्लास 3 कंप्यूटर स्टडीज़ चैप्टर नंबर 3 नो योर कंप्यूटर की एक्सरसाइज को सॉल्व करेंगे। उम्मीद करता हूं कि आपको अपने पिछले लेक्चर में चैप्टर की समझ आ गई होगी। चलिए चलते हैं अब अपनी एक्सरसाइज की तरफ। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, चूज़ द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। टू फीड डाटा इनटू अ कंप्यूटर वी यूज़ द डिवाइसेस। ऑप्शन ए इनपुट, ऑप्शन बी आउटपुट, ऑप्शन सी प्रोसेसिंग या ऑप्शन डी स्टोरेज। ऑप्शन ए इनपुट। प्राइमरी स्टोरेज डिवाइस इज ऑल्सो नोन एज रोम, रैम, both A and B, or DVD. The right answer is both A and B, ROM and RAM. The activities we can do on a computer: play games, watch movies, listen songs, or all of these. We can do all these activities, so the option D is the right option, all of these. A CD can store data up to 4.7 GB, 700 MB, 1 TB, or none of these. The right option is 700 MB, B option. DVD combo drive is used to read the contents of a DVD, B CD, C both A and B, or D pen drive. DVD combo drive is used to read the contents of DVD and CD. The right option is option C. Question 2. Fill in the blank with the help of given words, and the words given are CPU, hard disk, hardware, pen drive, and ROM. Blank 1. Dash stores the command to boot the computer, ROM. Blank 2. Dash is the main secondary storage device of a computer, hard disk. Blank 3. The dash is the main processing device of a computer, CPU. Blank 4. Dash is a popular external storage device, pen drive. The physical parts of a computer are known as dash, hardware. Question 3. Tick the correct statement and cross out the wrong one. RAM is a primary storage device. Tick. We can store data in a pen drive up to only 64 GB. Cross. Printer is an output device. Tick. WordPad is a system software. Cross. USB port is used to run a DVD on a computer. Cross. Our next question is answer the following question. Question number 1. Define a computer. A computer is an electronic machine that takes data as input, processes it, and gives the result as output. Question 2. The parts of a computer are divided into two categories. Name the categories. The categories are hardware and software. Question 3. Name any two output devices. The output devices are printer and monitor. Question 4. Name any two storage devices. Two storage devices are hard disk and pen drive. Question 5. Define a software. The software is a set of instructions or program that tells a computer hardware what to do and how to do. Our next question is to write down the steps for the following. Question 1. To use a pen drive in a computer. If you want to use a pen drive in the computer, follow these steps. Step 1. Insert the pen drive in any of the USB ports on the system unit. Open the This PC window and double click on the newly created drive other than the permanent drives. The contents of the pen drive will be displayed. In this way, you can use a pen drive. Write down the steps to open a CD on a computer. To open a CD, you need a combo drive. To use CD, DVD, following steps are given. Step 1. Press the DVD combo drive button. A tray will come out. Step 2. Put the disc on the tray. Step 3. Again, press the DVD combo drive button. The tray will go inside. Now open this PC window and double click on the DVD drive. Select any file or folder and double click on it to open it. For the lab activity, search on the internet about some more examples of input devices, output devices and storage devices with a small description to each. Lab activity 2. Collect the information about the different types of printers and memory drives, pen drive and optical disc from the newspaper or internet. इसके अलावा आप मज़ीद जानने के लिए नीचे दिए गए दोनों लिंक्स पर क्लिक करके मज़ीद भी कंप्यूटर्स के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन हासिल कर सकते हैं। तो ये थी हमारे चैप्टर नंबर 3 नो योर कंप्यूटर की एक्सरसाइज। उम्मीद करता हूँ इस एक्सरसाइज को सॉल्व अब आप खुद भी कर सकते होंगे। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। अपनी अगली वीडियो में आपसे मिल लेंगे, तब तक अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।